Hey, welcome back everybody to Budget Building. Today we got a little bike that I just showed on Facebook and YouTube and everything. Hope you guys are gonna like it. This one's been a really exciting one for me. It's a Suzuki RMX250 two-stroke. It's a 1993. Not a bad bike. It already has most of our upgrades that it's gonna need. It's not running right now, but already has our FMS Fat Boy exhaust, already has a steering stabilizer, as y'all can see right here. Pretty much what we're going to be doing in this video today is going through the plastics, taking everything off, and I'm going to show you guys what's going on with the motor. I've already gotten in there a little bit to show you guys what's wrong with it, how we're going to fix it, what parts we're going to be getting, and I'll be linking those in the description below whenever I get them. So, you guys, let's get at it. Alright, so what we're going to start off with is taking both sides of the plastic off, take the seat off and our tank, so that way we can get in here and take our cylinder and our head off. So, enjoy the fast forward video. Alright, so now we're going to take the spark plug out, which is a 13/16. Didn't have this one in here at all. Put it back together so we could wash it. These are going to be a 12mm. And for the head nuts, these are going to be a 14. And this is the valve, pretty much the valve timing, I believe it is, where you hook up for the valve timing. And there's another head bolt that is in here as well to get this all apart. Right here, this is where you would hook the valves up right here, as you can see, but we're not going to be doing that today. We're just getting this off so I can show you guys where it's at. Alright y'all, here we go. Have our piston, plate, top of the head, cylinder, and where valves go. It's right here, we'll get that opened up for you. But, so yeah, when I bought this, he told me that valve broke into the cylinder, which as you can see, it most definitely did. The other half of this one is, she gone. It's broke off of here, obviously. So that's what it's pretty much supposed to look like. But it doesn't look that way. So, once it got down in there, chewed up all the piston. So you're gonna need a new piston. I'm trying to see if I can recover this, the top of the head here, top of the compression chamber at least. And I don't know. We'll see if maybe we can rework that, but if I can get one for pretty cheap, I'll probably go ahead and get a new one of those. And inside of here, as you guys can see, it's actually really good. There's only one spot in here that I'm worried about, and I'm pretty sure that's it right there. You guys can barely see it where it's starting to score right here and here. So probably wind up doing it's only like $100 and some odd for a new sleeve. Might as well. We're gonna go ahead and get this, take it to a shop, get it pressed out, get a new one in it. So you guys know what you think. This is gonna be one heck of a go around. Right, here's the bearing for the piston. It looks good, but we're gonna go ahead and get a new one, obviously. And because I said I would, we'll go ahead and open this bad Larry up so you guys can see what's in here. I'm missing a screw. Oh, wonderful. Like I said, guys, I hadn't really done a lot on this. Just pretty much gave it a good once over, so that way we can get parts going. It already came, the guy who bought it with, he already got a gasket kit for the entire motor. So when we get the chance, when we can, we're gonna go ahead and, go ahead and pull the motor and put it right here anyways, so you guys can see. So that's where the valves go. Probably have to get a new one of these Husker doers. Maybe, maybe not. Because like I said, I don't know a lot about two-strokes, but it's going to be a fun time. Either way. Hope you guys are enjoying this. Alright, we're going to take these off real quick when we start doing our plastics. Do a quick little montage on it. Looks like somebody switched that one out with an 8. That should be it on that. So just drag that out just like that. Whole bunch of mess to clean up. There we go, wrong side. There we go. There's one. There's 4 of these and they're 10 mil. Oh, there it goes. It's going forever. Pretty sure that steering stabilizer is going to come with it. That's alright. Another one. Oh, where's that? And as you guys can see, it's already pretty much there. These are dry rotted terribly. And there we go, there's that. See if we can get some new ones, or we might just zip tie over them. Never know. It's budget build it. Never know what we're gonna do. Alright everybody, well, did a little test run. As you can see, this is the one that I've gone through. I'm gonna show you guys how I went from this to this. Alright y'all, well, how I did this was Dawn and water. Spray it on here. It's a 400 grit to try and get the little bit deeper. As you can see, it's taking it off, and I've already washed these. Not using sandpaper, obviously, but it seems to be taking all the grime and everything is deeper down in it and taking it off. go. See, what I'm doing is like kind of like an X pattern. So I'm doing this side and then coming back and pressing this side. That way it'll go against the grain of each to get down in there a little bit deeper. Alright, cool. So this part I got a brass brush and all these deep scratches to help clean those up. Get all the dirt and grime out of those. We're just going to take this, try and clean these up as best we can. Already starting to look a lot cleaner. We're going to switch from the 400 to 1000. You may have to do this a couple times. So you hit it with the 400 a couple times, wipe it down, and you'll come back with the 1000. And then now, take our heat gun, all these little pieces that are hanging off, hopefully melt them back into where they're supposed to be at. What we'll do is take our Dawn and dish soap, water and dish soap, and take that 1000. We're just going to go over it easily. What this does, it kind of helps flatten all that plastic that is brought up and moved around by the heat gun. It just flattens it back out. Then we go back over it with the heat gun, kind of make it a lot more shinier than it was before. I don't know how it looks on camera, but from here you can see just how smooth it is. Very hot too. But now what we're going to do is just take a little acetone. See what it looked like before. Yeah, there's still a lot of deep scratches in there, but we're just trying to clean it up, make it look a little bit better. We're doing the same thing here. It's just sanding. Catch you guys when we're done. Alright, well, as you guys can see, weren't able to get all this black stuff off. I think it's oil or something. It's gonna seep real deep down into the black. Alright guys, first part of the fairing, the front part at least. Not a whole lot we can do this one. I think I'm going to keep the stickers on, but the rest of it, just going to do a light sanding and call it a day on that one. Show you guys when we're done. And there it is after. Not too bad. Plan on riding this bike, I just want it to look nice. Alright y'all, well, we got all our parts laid out. Put them all back on the bike just to get a feel for what they look aesthetically. Hope next time we get these parts in. All right, y'all. Well, that's it for this one. Like I said, you just seen the beautiful sheen on all the plastics. Not too bad for being, was it 27 years old? We're still gonna be trying to order these parts here in the next few weeks. So we're just gonna throw this back on the back burner for a little bit. Not for long, because I'll probably get in there, start cleaning up, take everything apart, check the bearings, the bushings, all that good stuff. But hopefully, we can get these parts on order, be able to get out there and go riding. Next week, if it's not raining again, I know Vegas raining, we're gonna be working on our trailer. So make sure y'all are liking, subscribing. I'll see you guys later. Take care.